Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ExpressVPN on Firestick TV. Let's get started. I'll guide you through downloading, installing, and setting up ExpressVPN to stream securely or unblock content. Plus, explain why NordVPN is a better choice. You can find a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. First, you need to ensure your Firestick is second generation or later. First-generation devices don't support VPN apps. So if you have an older model, this process won't work for you. From the Firestick home screen, you want to click the magnifying glass icon in the top left to open the search bar. This is where you'll find all the apps available for your device. Now, in the search bar, type ExpressVPN. Slowly to avoid any typos. The Firestick remote can be a little tricky, so taking your time here is key. Once you've typed it in, select the first result that appears, which should have the familiar red logo. Then, click the yellow Get OK download button to start downloading and installing the app. This usually takes about a minute, depending on your internet speed, so just be patient while it completes. Once the installation is finished, you'll see an option to click Open to launch ExpressVPN for the first time. Now, let's set it up. If you don't already have an ExpressVPN account, you'll need to create one. The easiest way to do this is to use another device like your phone or laptop. On that device, go to expressvpn.com to sign up. You can choose a plan, either monthly or yearly, and enter your email and a secure password. Make sure to check your inbox for a confirmation email, and click the link inside to activate your new account before moving on. Back on your Firestick in the ExpressVPN app, click the Sign In button. You now have two choices for logging in. You can use your Firestick remote to slowly type in your email and password, which can be a bit clunky. Or, for a much faster and more convenient login, you can scan the QR code that appears on your TV screen with your phone's camera. This QR code method is super convenient for avoiding the hassle of typing with the remote. After you sign in, follow the prompts on the screen to allow ExpressVPN to set up a VPN connection on your device. You'll need to click OK when prompted. You might also see an optional message about sharing anonymous data to help improve the app. You can pick Allow or Don't Allow based on your personal preference. It doesn't affect a core function. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main screen with a big power button right in the center. Clicking this power button will connect you to ExpressVPN's smart location. This feature automatically picks the fastest server for you, usually one in the US or UK, which is great for smooth buffer-free streaming. When the screen shows connected and displays a new IP address, you know your Firestick is secure for private browsing. To unblock specific content from a particular country, you can choose a server manually. Click on the location bar below the power button. This will let you navigate with your remote through the list of available countries and cities. For example, to watch Netflix US, you would select a server like USA, New York. To access BBC iPlayer, you would choose UK, London. Here's a unique tip for you. Inside the app settings, under Options, you can enable a feature called Auto Connect on untrusted Wi-Fi. Turning this on will automatically secure your Firestick with the VPN whenever you connect to a public network, like at a hotel or an airport. This is a great set-and-forget security feature. If you ever experience streaming lags or buffering after connecting, there's a simple adjustment you can make. Go into your Firestick's main settings, then into Display and Sounds, and adjust the display resolution down to 1080p. This can ease bandwidth strain and often makes the stream much smoother. If ExpressVPN won't connect at all, there are a few things you can try. First, switch to a different server location. If that doesn't work, try restarting your Firestick by simply unplugging it from power for about 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. You can also clear the ExpressVPN app's cache. To do this, go to your Fire TV settings, then Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Find ExpressVPN and select Clear Cache. For persistent issues, you can visit expressvpn.com/support for 24/7 live chat assistance. ExpressVPN is a solid service with over 30,000 servers in 105 countries. It's great for reliably unblocking Netflix or Hulu. However, for many users, NordVPN is a better choice. NordVPN offers a comparable service but often at around half the cost, with plans starting around $3 per month versus ExpressVPN's $8 plus. NordVPN uses its own NordLynx protocol, which is designed to ensure faster 4K streaming and gaming. It also includes a feature called Cybersec that locks ads in malware, and it offers double VPN for an extra layer of encryption. You can connect up to 10 devices at once with NordVPN, compared to 8 with ExpressVPN, and it operates under an independently audited no-logs policy for top privacy, making it a perfect fit for Firestick users. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.